This video was not stolen, nor the idea. This video includes loud and scary noises, and disturbing imagery. If you're not 13 plus, click off the video.
This following message has been transmitted to the Phoenix Police Department. Monika has reached our area and is killing people and exploding buildings. Monika's next target is unknown, but it is present she has been following interstates. These are all the interstates that were followed by Monika: Interstate 80, Interstate 15, Interstate 84, Interstate 86, Interstate 82, Interstate 90, Interstate 5, and Interstate 8. All interstates in the west will be guarded by police to prevent further expansion. Meanwhile, a horde of Monikas going 60 miles per hour is expected to arrive within 75 minutes. Please seek shelter for your safety. This message is in effect until 5:15 p.m. The National Weather Service has issued an extreme heat warning for the following counties: Maricopa, Gila, Yavapai, and Pinal County. Temperatures have rose to 149 degrees or 65 degrees Celsius over the past 20 minutes. This is a really dangerous temperature, as heat stroke will occur within 15 minutes or less. Please leave on air conditioning and fans, close any windows or doors in your house, and seal any gaps or cracks in your house to prevent heat from getting in. This heat is really rare and Monika is immune to this heat. This message will be in effect until December 6th at 11 a.m. This following message has been transmitted to the Phoenix Police Department. At 3:59 p.m. Mountain Standard Time, the Monika horde was spotted in Buckeye rolling a giant, really dangerous bomb towards Phoenix. This bomb looks like it is really dangerous and blast radius is large. Evacuate if you are in the following cities/areas: Phoenix, Goodyear, Glendale, Mesa, Scottsdale, Gilbert, Tempe, and Chandler. The Monika horde is expected to arrive at Phoenix in 14 minutes or less. The bomb is estimated to be 2.25 meters in diameter and has a giant timer on the front. The timer was reported to say 20 minutes. Police and Arizona state troopers will be involved to defuse the bomb and stop it from reaching Phoenix. Stay tuned until further notice.
Breaking news. The horde of Monikas had blown up Phoenix. The crater was estimated to be 25 miles wide and 5 miles deep. Monika and the horde survived the explosion and are heading different ways. Monika is heading east from the crater and the horde is heading north from the crater. All borders of Utah and New Mexico will be closed off to keep Monika or the horde from getting in. These states include Nevada, Arizona, Texas, Oklahoma, Colorado, Wyoming, and Idaho. The Mexican states are Sonora and Chihuahua. Military will arrive from Fort Bliss and Joint Base San Antonio.
This following message has been transmitted to the Mesa Police Department. Satellites being used to track Monika and the horde have detected what they were headed for. Monika is heading to New Mexico and the horde is headed to Yellowstone. The Monika horde is expected to arrive at Yellowstone in 12 hours. The Monika horde cannot teleport. Monika is also in Mesa, so please remain indoors, and if she sees you, or you see her, call 911. Please stay tuned for more information.
This is KKOB at 770 AM frequency serving the Albuquerque area. Lately, the Monika situation has gotten a lot worse. 5 Californian cities were nuked, then a horde of Monikas was spawned and are partially indestructible. The Monika hordes blew up Phoenix and surrounding cities within 12.5 miles of the city. The Monika hordes are headed to Yellowstone, which something really bad could happen over there. Utah state troopers and Wyoming state troopers will try to stop the Monika horde from getting to their goal. Meanwhile, Monika herself has disappeared from the satellite. It is uncertain if she has disappeared for good or is invisible, just like how she got to Seattle without being captured by police. The green smoke from the craters in Los Angeles, San Diego, San Jose, San Francisco, and Fresno had spread 100 miles from the crater and is estimated to disappear within 1 week. California, USA, and Baja California, Mexico have been affected by the green smoke from THR nukes. The most affected states are Utah, Washington, and California. The Monika horde was last sighted near Interstate 17 at 4:46 p.m. It seems like the Monika horde is immune to explosives, pistols, rifles, revolvers, and any handheld gun. We hope that the western U.S. and the U.S. overall can make it through this dangerous situation. It turns out Monika has been reported in Albuquerque, so the emergency alert will be set off shortly.
This following message has been transmitted to the Albuquerque Police Department. Monika had teleported to Albuquerque. She is really dangerous, and is armed with a knife, AK-47, and chainsaw. Fort Bliss soldiers are headed to Albuquerque to take care of Monika. Please lock your doors, windows, and close the curtains to prevent Monika from reaching you. Please remain indoors, and go to your basement or the safest room in your house with the necessary items during a shelter-in-place warning. If you are in a car, get out of Albuquerque or head to the nearest safe building. This law enforcement warning will be in effect until 7 p.m. Mountain Standard Time. Stay tuned for further notice.
Watching the ocean with you, baby, up with a slow motion crew. And we up in our cloudlands when people change, but not us. And we just chillin', kicking it, kissed by the sun. Could be soaked to the skin in the monsoon. I know she got the good vibes when seasons change, but we're the same. Even if I lost all my money, the zero runs deep, honey. And I don't need to speak a single word, 'cause you got me holding, holding. Even if my joy.
This following message has been transmitted to the Sedona Police Department. A civil danger warning has been issued and will be in effect until 11 p.m. The Monika Horde, which is northwest of Sedona, has released 6,000 coyotes into Sedona. These coyotes are different than a regular coyote. They are 3 meters long and 1.8 meters tall. They have razor-sharp teeth and claws and have glowing eyes. These coyotes can run up to 45 miles per hour and can tear down structures that are up to 4 meters tall. Please stay out of their sight and be quiet. The coyotes have really good hearing and smell. If you are outside, pray for your life, because opening doors, closing doors, footsteps, driving away, and any noise exceeding 15 decibels will attract the coyotes. This is a really dangerous situation, as the coyotes can withstand really loud noises, small medium explosions, handheld guns and rifles, and strong weapons. This is not a test. I repeat. This is not a test. More than 125 people have died from these strong coyotes. They also have a bite force of over 14,000 psi, and are extremely aggressive. Evacuation is really risky, as the coyotes can take down cars. Also, normal programming will be off the air until the civil danger warning is over.
Alright. We're gonna trap Monika using this cage with extremely thin gaps.
Why am I the bait?
Because Monika goes for vulnerable and gullible people more.
Daddy, what was that?
Probably just a roadrunner. Well, would you look at that, honey? It's Monika, but why is she on all fours and has sharp teeth?
Daddy, I'm scared.
This following message has been transmitted to the Santa Fe Police Department. A civil danger warning has been issued for Santa Fe County until 10 p.m. Monika was sighted in the desert near Santa Fe. It turns out Monika is actually in Albuquerque. This is a clone of Monika in Santa Fe. The clone is 8 foot tall, tattered clothes, red eyes, sharp teeth, no socks or shoes, claws, and is on all fours. This clone has animalistic traits, and can run up to 45 miles per hour. Please stay indoors and lock the doors and windows. If you hear a human-like growl, call 911 and hide. The Monika clone eats humans, and is very dangerous. A man and his daughter was reported to be the first victims of this clone.
Breaking news. We have an update on the bear attack. Monika died from. Monika spawned a clone 5 minutes prior to her death to go up to Canada. The clone ended up seeing Monika getting attacked. At 9:32 p.m., the keyboard was stolen by that clone and was used to revive Monika. That clone was killed by Idaho state troopers 4 miles south of Cascade. Luckily, not too many people were killed by this clone. New Mexico state troopers are working hard to eradicate Monika before something else happens. The Monika horde is heading to Yellowstone, so Utah and Arizona state troopers are trying to kill them before something chaotic happens.
This following message has been transmitted at the request of the Detroit Police Department. This message is in effect until December 5 at 1 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Monika has entered our area at around 8:58 p.m. and is really dangerous. She is infamous for all the serious events that have happened in the states of Utah, Nevada, Idaho, Oregon, Washington, California, Arizona, and New Mexico over the past 2 days. Remain indoors and do not answer to any knocks on the door, even if it's someone you know. If you see Monika, call 911. We will go back to normal programming. This following message has been transmitted at the request of the Detroit Police Department. A civil danger warning has been issued and will be in effect until December 5 at 9:16 p.m. All of the Wayne County Jail Division 1 prisoners have escaped. It appears that the prison has disappeared out of nowhere and all the guards were killed without any injuries. Please stay indoors and do not answer the door at all costs. Turn off all lights, lock all doors and windows, shut off any heaters, furnaces, ACs, and fans, and make sure nothing else is running in your house. Detroit police will try to get things under control. Normal programming will be off the air for now. The National Weather Service has issued a blizzard warning for the following counties: Washtenaw, Wayne, Livingston, Oakland, Ingham, Jackson, Lenawee, and Monroe. A blizzard was detected at 9:26 p.m. 4 to 7 inches of snow is expected and wind speeds are 82 miles per hour. Travel on Interstate 96, Interstate 94, Interstate 75, Interstate 475, and other major roads is dangerous as roads will be in icy condition. This blizzard is slowly expanding and is predicted to stretch from Traverse City to Cincinnati by midnight. This alert is effective until December 6 at 6 a.m. Eastern Standard Time.
This following message has been transmitted at the request of the Toronto Police Department. A civil danger warning has been issued and is in effect until December 5 at 2:43 a.m. A really dangerous girl known for a bunch of serious events that has happened in the U.S. called Monika has crossed the U.S. border into Canada. Monika has got green smoke into Canada, which was reported to have an unidentified deadly disease. Please remain indoors and make sure no lights, electronic devices, heating units, and cooling units are running. Lock your doors and windows and do not answer to door at all costs. If you see a figure that has brown hair with a white bow, green eyes, gray blouse, red ribbon, blue skirt, black thigh-high socks and white Owabaki slippers with pink tips, call 911 because that's Monika. Normal programming will be kept off the air for now.
Booking.com has all kinds of stays because a laid-back beach house is right for some. But off-brand for others. Find exactly what you're booking for. Booking.com,
That was intro to yoga? More like intro to me.
A child abduction emergency has been issued for the following counties: Rio Arriba, Santa Fe, Los Alamos, and Sandoval County. Over 35 kids have went missing from Santa Fe, Hispaniola, and surrounding areas. The cause of all the disappearances is unknown, as parents or anyone didn't see who they were kidnapped by as of now. The Monika clone hasn't been seen in the past 30 minutes. Police will look for the missing children and look for any clues. The child abduction emergency will be in effect until December 5th at 10 a.m.
No.
Not so fast, Monika Horde. We are not going to let you all get to Utah. Yes. I killed them. They can't get to Yellowstone anymore. What's that noise?
This following message has been transmitted at the request of the Santa Fe Police Department. This is an update on the child abduction emergency issued 36 minutes ago. A trail of blood, handprints, and footprints were found in the sand. It led to a cave and all the kids were found dead. It turns out the Monika clone dragged the now counted 38 kids into the cave and ate them. Please make sure your kids stay inside to prevent the Monika clone from getting them and eating them. The child abduction emergency will be terminated due to this discovery.
This following message has been transmitted at the request of the Buffalo Police Department. A local area emergency has been issued for the Buffalo metropolitan area until December 5th at 12 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Monika has returned to the U.S. after going into Canada from Detroit. Monika has been throwing knives at people, shooting people with an AK-47, and sawing people in half with a chainsaw. Please remain indoors. Make sure there's no traces of humans inside. Sleeping is extremely risky as you are more prone to Monika attacking you.
Important instructions will follow. Please stand by. This is not a test. I repeat. This is not a test. An emergency action notification has been issued by the Canadian government. 15 nukes have been detected by several radar stations throughout Canada. The nukes will hit the following cities: Vancouver, Victoria, Whistler, Edmonton, Calgary, Regina, Saskatoon, Yorkton, Winnipeg, Thunder Bay, Toronto, Hamilton, Ottawa, Montreal, and Quebec City. This is not a mistake. The nukes have been identified to be the same nukes that have dropped in California and the US earlier today. Monika has spawned these nukes. The nukes will hit the earlier mentioned cities within 15 minutes. Evacuate right now as your life is in danger. Power lines will be shut off and only be kept on for emergencies. I repeat, an emergency action notification has been issued by the Canadian government. 15 nukes have been detected by several radar stations throughout Canada. The nukes will hit the following cities: Vancouver, Victoria, Whistler, Edmonton, Calgary, Regina, Saskatoon, Yorkton, Winnipeg, Thunder Bay, Toronto, Hamilton, Ottawa, Montreal, and Quebec City. This is not a mistake. The nukes have been identified to be the same nukes that have dropped in California and the US earlier today. Monika has spawned these nukes. The nukes will hit the earlier mentioned cities within 15 minutes. Evacuate right now as your life is in danger. Power lines will be shut off and only be kept on for emergencies.
This following message has been transmitted at the request of the Taos Police Department. The Monika clone, now named Monika Stalker, can stand up on its hind legs, and can open doors and windows. Lock your doors and windows, to avoid getting caught by Monikas, because if you don't, Monikas can come in, and eat you alive. This message is in effect until 11 p.m. This following message has been transmitted at the request of the Boulder Police Department. At 9:08 p.m. Mountain Standard Time, the Monika horde heading to Yellowstone was spotted southwest of the city. The horde will try to be stopped. The horde is about 7 hours away from their destination. Do not try and kill them, as Monika will revive them, and the horde will kill you. Police and Utah State Troopers will try and contain the horde. Stay tuned until further notice.
This following message has been transmitted at the request of the New York Police Department. A local area emergency has been issued for Brooklyn, Manhattan, and Queens until further notice. Monika has arrived in the New York metropolitan area. She is really dangerous and could do anything to us. Please stay indoors and turn off any heating units, cooling units, electrical outlets, and lights to prevent Monika from seeing you. Please refrain from making any noise or else Monika will come and kill you. This following message has been transmitted at the request of the New York Police Department. A civil danger warning has been issued for Brooklyn until further notice. 2 creatures were spotted in Brooklyn. They are not humanoid as they stand on 4 legs. They have green glowing eyes, but not enough information about their description is present. Please stay indoors and do not make any noise as these creatures are dangerous and could kill you. This following message has been transmitted at the request of the Brooklyn Police Department. The 2 creatures spotted 15 minutes ago have been identified. The first creature resembles a camel with no hump, sharp and spiky fur, long neck, and paws with sharp claws. The second creature is a giant pig with horns, fangs, and a long tail. These creatures are fast and could get you and kill you within a matter of minutes. Do not leave anything on while sleeping. This include lights, TVs, cooling units, and heating units, as this could attract the creatures. This following message has been transmitted at the request of the Newark Police Department. Monika was sighted in Newark at 12:50 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Monika has been throwing grenades and spawning insects. These insects glow green and have giant stingers. They look like wasps except larger and can break their way into your home. Do not get stung by these wasps, as doing so will not be good. There isn't enough information about these wasps right now. If you see something green and glowing in your house, do not move or panic until it leaves. This following message has been transmitted at the request of the Centers for Disease Control. A contagious disease warning was issued for the following counties: Bergen, Passaic, Essex, Hudson, and Morris County. A disease carried by the wasps was detected after someone exploded 10 minutes after getting stung. It was identified to be the same disease carried by the green smoke that emerged from Washington and California yesterday. The symptoms are as follows. After 5 minutes after getting stung, you will throw up blood repeatedly while your skin turns green. After 10 minutes, your skin and eyes will be fully green and then you explode. These wasps can also tear hazmat suits and beekeeper suits. Please go to the space farthest from any windows or walls to lower chances of getting stung. This warning will be in effect until further notice.
Breaking news. The Monika Horde is 3 hours away from Yellowstone. I repeat, the Monika Horde is 3 hours away from Yellowstone. They are also rolling a bomb similar to the one that blew up Phoenix. The bomb timer appears to be 3 hours and 22 minutes. Meanwhile, Monikis is almost to Mexico, specifically Chihuahua. Over 250 people were eaten alive by Monikis. The Monika Horde has killed over 4.2 million people. Most were from the explosion in Phoenix. Meanwhile, in New Jersey, New York City, Stamford, and Allentown, green wasps have been stinging and infecting people with a deadly disease. Over 300,000 residents have been stung by these wasps. Police and National Guards had been trying to stop the Monika horde. An Arizona state trooper was killed trying to kill the horde. The Monika horde also had no problem getting through the rubble in northern Utah.
This following message has been transmitted to the following states: Wyoming, Montana, Idaho, and Utah. The Monika horde has entered the premises of Yellowstone National Park. Evacuate right now if you are within 100 miles of Yellowstone. This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. The bomb will explode within 20 minutes and evacuation within 60 miles of Yellowstone is nearly impossible. If you are within 60 miles of Yellowstone, tell your loved ones you love them, and you will stay with them forever. Gather with family for your final moments as Yellowstone will be blown up by the clones within 20 minutes. If you are visiting Yellowstone, please drive away. If you are within 61 to 120 miles of Yellowstone,
Tactical nuke incoming!
Instructions will follow. Please stand by. This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. Yellowstone has exploded. I repeat, Yellowstone has exploded. All states excluding Alaska and Hawaii will be affected. Wyoming, Idaho, and Montana have been completely destroyed. Ashes spreading at a speed of 250 miles per hour. Canada and Mexico have also been affected. Lots of ash have been flung into air and temperatures have risen at a deadly rate in the three states mentioned earlier: Utah, Washington, Oregon, Colorado, Nebraska, South Dakota, and North Dakota will have to face temperatures up to 110 degrees Fahrenheit. It is unknown if Monika will die or not. Massive heat waves and air pollution have occurred in the western and central United States. 80 to 90 degree temperatures and 25 to 75 millimeter ash will be in California, Nevada, Arizona, New Mexico, Oklahoma, Kansas, Missouri, Iowa, and Minnesota. 65 to 79 degree temperatures and 8 to 24mm ash will be in Texas, Arkansas, Kentucky, Tennessee, Illinois, and Wisconsin. Do not open any doors or windows and seal any cracks or gaps in your house to prevent gas and heat from getting in. I repeat, Yellowstone has exploded. I repeat, Yellowstone has exploded. All states excluding Alaska and Hawaii will be affected. Wyoming, Idaho, and Montana have been completely destroyed. Ashes spreading at a speed of 250 miles per hour. Canada and Mexico have also been affected. Lots of ash have been flung into air and temperatures have risen at a deadly rate in the 3 states mentioned earlier: Utah, Washington, Oregon, Colorado, Nebraska, South Dakota, and North Dakota will have to face temperatures up to 110 degrees Fahrenheit. It is unknown if Monika will die or not. Massive heat waves and air pollution have occurred in the western and central United States. 80 to 90 degree temperatures and 25 to 75mm ash will be in California, Nevada, Arizona, New Mexico, Oklahoma, Kansas, Missouri, Iowa, and Minnesota. 65 to 79 degree temperatures and 8 to 24mm ash will be in Texas, Arkansas, Kentucky, Tennessee, Illinois, and Wisconsin. Do not open any doors or windows and seal any cracks or gaps in your house to prevent gas and heat from getting in.
This following message has been transmitted to all of the United States. Monika and all the clones and animals Monika spawned have disappeared 30 minutes after Yellowstone exploded. You can come out of your shelters now if you are over 1,250 miles away from Yellowstone. It will take 5 to 10 years to fix all the damages Monika caused. Normal programming will resume.